Speedqueen is certainly known as one of the market leaders for vended laundries. We are a Speedqueen distributor. They do an amazing job with innovation. Their touchscreen controls now are one of the leaders in the marketplace. So when I say that, laundromat owners push back a little bit sometimes when we talk about a touch control. Oh, it's going to be too complicated for my customers, et cetera. And then when we get them installed and they watch their customers come in and just bing, 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 and pick the cycle, they can have add-ons. So if they wanted extra wash and extra rinse, extra spin, they're able to get some additional revenue with that, and then hit start. And so they're very simple to operate. They make everything very easy. They have multiple languages, so Spanish or German or Italian or whatever language you need, they can have it displayed. And it's very easy, again, for customers to use, and they're very comfortable with it. But also what our laundromat owners really like is we can have a history of all the error codes. So we're able to go in, and when you have a problem, we're able to dial real quickly into whether it's a door lock or a water valve or a drain valve or whatever it is that's causing a problem. Those error codes are recorded, and we can go back and look at that history versus some of the other machines. Our technicians go out, well, it's not working. Well, what's not working? And trying to pull that information out of somebody versus being able to go to the computer, download it, oh yeah, here it is, and be able to go to it and fix it quickly versus spending a tremendous amount of time trying to diagnose something. Constantly innovating for new technology. We're seeing more and more larger machine capacity machines going into laundromats. They're 80, 100-pound capacity washers or larger. The integration with payment systems, the ability to have a app pay that they can come up and just have a QR code, scan it and pay for it right there at the machine. So there's that intersection of machines and technology and payment systems that make it as easy as possible to accept payment from the customers, being a laundromat customer, whether it's a coin, whether it's credit card or an app pay, being able to have flexibility with the payment systems that meet your customers' needs and wants.